Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking this delicious one-pot breasted vegetarian delight. This dish is super yummy and easy to cook. It is great to team up with steamed rice or noodles. The ingredients to be used are flexible. You can follow me today or make your own combination. Okay, let's start now. Firstly, we need the spices to create the flavors. 1.5 gram star anise, 2.5 gram cinnamon stick, 20 gram yellow rock sugar, 1 gram cloves, 2 gram black pepper, 2 gram fennel seeds. Put all the spices to the cotton spice bag or stainless steel spice container and then put aside waiting for cooking. For the ingredients, I used a handful of these dehydrated vegetarian slices, which is made of non-GMO soy flour and wheat flour. It is dehydrated, so I started with soaking them to the 60 degrees Celsius hot water first. If you can't find them at your place, you can skip it or replace with other vegetarian products that you like. 3 king oyster mushrooms. I can only find frozen one here, so I need to cut it through in the middle to flatten it first and then slice it to a bite size. If you can buy fresh one at your place, you can just cut it to bite sizes. 6 fresh shiitake mushrooms. 2 big cubes of hard tofu, cut to 1.5 cm thick slices. One-third of a large white radish or a daikon radish. You can increase or decrease the portion as per your preference. Peel the skin and then cut it to cubes. And finally, I used 4 pieces of this dried tofu. We call this tofu orchid-shaped dried tofu. If you can't find it at your local Asian grocery shop, you can replace it with deep-fried tofu, cut it to the sizes that you like. Now we can start cooking. This is a one-pot cooking, therefore I used a big cast iron pot. You can also use big stainless steel pot. Heat up the pot and then put 2 tablespoons oil in. This is a vegetarian dish, so we need to use more oil. Saute the shiitake mushroom for 1 minute and then put the king oyster mushrooms in. Saute both mushrooms until the fragrance slightly released. And then put the white radish in. Saute for another minute to let the white radish absorb the oil and the fragrance of the mushrooms. And then add 1.5 liter water to the pot. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce. Put the spices back in and finally the yellow rock sugar in. Give it a good stir and then put the rest of the ingredients in, except the first ingredient, dehydrated vegetarian slices, because it cannot be cooked for too long, so we have to put it in at the last few minutes. And then put the lid on, bring it to boil, and then cook for another 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, take the spice bag out. Put half a teaspoon white pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon vegetable and mushroom seasoning in. Give a few gentle stirs And then add the final ingredient, dehydrated vegetarian slices in. I reckon the color is not dark enough, so I added another tablespoon of dark soy sauce in. Give a few gentle stirs to let the dark soy sauce mix with the soup, and then put the lid on and cook for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, look at it. The color is so beautiful. I love to hear the bubbling sound. Do a final tasting. Add more salt if needed. Then this braised vegetarian delight pork is done. For better and stronger flavoring, I would suggest to put the lid back on and let the food stay in the soup for another half an hour before plating. 30 minutes later, it's all done. For presentation, you can put the food to a bowl or on a plate. Traditionally, it is more common to use the bowl. I just take the portion that I can finish to the bowl and leave the rest to the pot. If you can't finish in a day, you can transfer the food to a food container and keep it in the fridge or freezer and just heat it up when you want to eat it again. I hope you will like this one-pot vegetarian dish. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.